Hi everyone, let us start a new chapter, lesson 16, garbage in, garbage out. Our daily activities give rise to a large variety of waste arising from different sources. So, garbage are the waste items which are unwanted materials. Examples are household rubbish, vegetable waste, peels of fruits, toys, plastic bottles, broken plates, rubber tubes for vehicles, sewage sludge, waste from manufacturing activities, packaging items, rusted nails, etc. All these are garbage. So we can say that sources of waste are kitchen, agriculture, schools, industrial and our surroundings. We have to remove the garbage from our surroundings and homes. The first step in dealing with garbage is to separate useful part of the garbage. That is, the part which can be converted into compost, recycled, reused from the non-use parts which cannot be used at all. The collection of different components of garbage separately at the point of its generation is called segregation of garbage. The materials that can be recycled like plastic, glass, metals, etc. are collected in blue bins, and the kitchen, that is the plant and animal waste, are collected in green bins. And these waste are sent directly to the composting site. Waste we can divide it into two: biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste is one which get easily decomposed by natural agents like water, air, microorganisms like bacteria or fungi. Actually, this biodegradable waste ultimately gets dissolved and becomes a part of the soil. Also, add nutrients to the soil and make it fertile. This biodegradable waste we can use for making compost and for making sources of energy like biogas in the biogas plant. And in the absence of oxygen, biodegradable waste decays and produces gas called methane, which is used as fuel for cooking, heating and generating electricity. Burning of biodegradable waste like husk, dried leaves and part of crop plants etc. produce smoke and gases that are harmful to our health. Instead of burning, it should be converted into compost. Let us discuss about non-biodegradable waste. The substance that cannot be broken down by natural factors and acts as a source of pollution, that are called non-biodegradable waste. They need to be recovered, reused to reduce the use and to be recycled. They remain on earth for thousands of years without any degradation. Examples: toys, shoes, comb, pen, plastic bottle, toothbrush, glass, metals, etc. are non-biodegradable waste. In this chapter, we are going to discuss different methods of garbage disposal, in which the first one is composting, second one landfill, third vermicomposting, and fourth recycle of paper, and the last one disposal of waste plastics. The non-useful part of the garbage which cannot be turned into compost and which cannot be recycled or reused are disposed of in these deep trenches filling area that are known as landfill. It is a low-lying open area. The garbage is spread over the landfill and covered with a layer of soil to level the uneven ground. Once a landfill is completely filled, it is usually converted into a park or a playground. No building is constructed on the landfill site for at least the next 20 years because it has loose ground. Dear all, read page number 155 and 156. Thank you.